Hi guys! I'm back with another recipe. Today I am making crispy ginger beef. So, ang mga ingredients natin are as follows. In here, I have a combination of carrots, garlic, onion, and ginger. I put it in the food processor para medyo mahaba or parang ganito yung kanyang texture. But if you don't have a food processor, of course, a simple knife will do. This is a combination of soy sauce, brown sugar, pepper, konting water, and vinegar. And this is my strips of beef with salt, pepper, and a little flour, and I'm gonna deep fry it until crispy and golden brown in color. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay, so ito yung ating mainit na pan with oil, and then i-start na natin i-deep fry yung ating beef. Hindi natin i-overcrowd, okay? Pa konti-konti lang. So do it batch by batch. Wait few minutes until it's crispy. And okay guys, so this is the crispy beef. Maaari nyo namang hindi na gawin itong step na to and just cook the beef in a little oil and then just wait for it until it's fully cooked. Pero I just want it to be a little crispier para mas masarap lalo na doon sa sauce na gagawin natin, which I am now making. So we have a little oil here. Here, I'm gonna add in yung ating mixture ng garlic, onion, ginger, and carrots. Wait until mga 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll proceed to the next step. By the way guys, marami pang natitira dun sa mixture ng carrots, onion, garlic, and ginger. So ang gagawin ko na lang dito sa leftover na to, put it in a freezer bag or a Ziploc bag. Lagay ko sa freezer and then anytime I need it. Like this week, I'm gonna make sweet and sour. So at least ito, meron na ako less chopping time for me. Okay? Okay, so this is cooked already. I can smell all the ingredients. Now, I'm gonna slowly add in our toyo, konting sugar, konting suka, and pepper. And wait for it to boil. We could also add in a slurry of water and cornstarch para mag-thick yung sauce natin. Okay? Okay, so kumukulo na yung ating mixture. Tikman nyo muna guys bago nyo ilagay yung slurry natin. So I have 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Slowly add this in. And then slow heat lang to. And then we'll just wait until ano na siya, malapot. At this time, I can turn this one off. Gawa na yung ating sauce.